Hi, I'm Dear friends. This is After Effects, and let's see how can we do very fast the easiest transition in After Effects. So let's create new composition and let us import those two files. Okay, let's drag and drop them and work with them. I will create new composition firstly. I'm holding Shift, select it, then right click of my mouse, pre-compose. Okay, now click and open our transform possibilities, and let us see. For example, on the third second, I'm sliding the slider to the third. Let's make opacity 100 like it is, and then on the fifth second, let's change it to 0%. Okay, and let's see now. I think it's nice.